Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to delete all your emails in Gmail. Follow these steps to learn how to delete your emails properly. Sign in to your Gmail account via your web browser. Locate and click on All Mail on the left side of the Gmail interface. Check the box on the left above your messages to select All Conversations. A message will appear saying Select All Conversations. Once everything is selected, click on the Delete icon. All selected messages will be moved to your Gmail's trash folder. To free up storage space, remember to permanently delete Gmail emails from the trash. They are auto-deleted after 30 days. Gmail app currently doesn't provide the Delete or Select All feature, so you need to switch to the desktop version on your phone. On Android, open your mobile internet browser instead of the Gmail app. In the top right corner of the browser, tap on the three dots to access the menu. From the menu, select Desktop Site to enable the desktop version of Gmail. Then, delete all mails as in Gmail web browser as seen at the beginning of the video. On iOS, you can do the same thing from the iPhone settings. Cleanfox is a great tool when it comes to delete mass emails. The app will group all the emails by senders. It enables you to only delete emails from spammy or unwanted senders. To delete emails in Cleanfox, just swipe up on any unwanted sender or click on the orange button located on the middle of the screen. Using its sort by feature, you can filter out unnecessary emails and delete only those that are cluttering up your inbox. Cleanfox also offers a Delete All feature. You can delete all emails from the Spam tab on the application. Go to Cleanfox and apply the list view. Click on Spams folder. Click on Select All at the bottom of the screen. Then click on the orange button located on the middle to delete all selected emails. Here are some tips to delete emails efficiently. To delete unread emails. In the Gmail search bar, type "unread" and press Enter. This will display all your unread emails. Alternatively, click on the checkbox at the top left of your emails and Selection Read. Then select all unwanted emails and delete them. To delete emails before a specific date, search before your date. Review the search results to see all emails before or after the specified date. Select all conversations that match the search. Click the trash icon at the top to move the selected emails to the trash folder.